The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is built for those who crave adventure beyond the pavement. Designed as an overlanding-ready truck straight from the factory, it combines rugged capability with cutting-edge technology. Toyota has taken the already legendary Tacoma and transformed it into an off-road powerhouse, catering to outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore without limitations. Under the hood, the Tacoma Trailhunter is expected to feature a powerful hybrid powertrain, blending efficiency with off-road performance. With an advanced suspension system, including upgraded shocks and increased ground clearance, the truck is engineered to handle rocky trails, deep mud, and rugged desert landscapes. The addition of all-terrain tires, reinforced skid plates, and a factory-installed snorkel ensures it can tackle water crossings and unpredictable conditions with confidence. The exterior design reflects its adventurous spirit, with bold Trailhunter badging, a robust front grille, and integrated recovery points. A reinforced steel bumper and auxiliary lighting add to its capability, ensuring visibility and durability in harsh environments. The truck's bed is designed with utility in mind, featuring a modular rack system, integrated storage solutions, and a power source to keep gear and electronics charged during extended expeditions. Inside the cabin, comfort meets functionality with high-quality materials and a tech-forward design. A large infotainment touchscreen provides access to navigation, trail maps, and connectivity features, ensuring drivers stay informed no matter where the road leads. Premium seating materials offer durability while maintaining comfort during long journeys. Toyota has also integrated advanced safety and driver assist technologies, providing an extra layer of confidence whether navigating city streets or remote trails. One of the standout features of the Trailhunter is its factory-backed overlanding accessories. Unlike aftermarket modifications, these additions are designed specifically for the Tacoma, ensuring reliability and seamless integration. A roof-mounted tent, additional fuel storage options, and a built-in air compressor are just some of the features that make this truck a true expedition vehicle straight from the dealership. The off-road community has long embraced the Tacoma as a reliable and capable platform, and the Trailhunter takes that reputation to new heights. By offering a turnkey solution for overlanders, Toyota eliminates the guesswork and extensive modifications often required for serious off-road adventures. With its blend of power, technology, and rugged features, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to adventure-driven engineering. Whether traversing mountain passes, exploring remote deserts, or camping under the stars, this truck is ready for the journey ahead.